Hey everybody, it's Dennis, and I wanted to show you a couple of tips when using ClickFunnels for your webinars. The first one is how you can add your domain to your ClickFunnels account. So instead of having a domain like myclickfunnels.clickfunnels.com or whatever you chose for your subdomain, when you signed up for ClickFunnels, you can actually use your own domain. So there's a couple of ways that you can get your own domain. One of them would be through ClickFunnels and paying $20 a year, and they set everything up and get it ready for you. Or you can go to, like GoDaddy or Bluehost or something like that. Anywhere where you can buy a domain name. Namecheap is one that I've used before, and you can get a domain for less than $10 a year. So that would be something like mywebsite.com. Mine is a website that I have called funneltemplatemarketplace.com. So my webinar says funneltemplatemarketplace.com/free web class. So it's something that's easier for you to use or easier for you to give to other people. Plus, when you do Facebook ads, it's something that you need. You can't use something like my subdomain.clickfunnels.com. Facebook's not going to let you do that. So you're going to have to either buy a domain name through ClickFunnels or one of those other websites that I was talking about. So I'm going to show you how that's done here by going into my ClickFunnels account. Let me go ahead and change screens here. So when you're in ClickFunnels, let me back out of this right here and save my changes. Let me come back out here. So you're going to go up here to the menu and you're going to go into account settings. And then you're going to get these choices here to the left. And then you're going to select domains. And you can see here's all of the different domains that I have connected to my ClickFunnels account, because I've had a ClickFunnels account now for about 3 years. And here's the one that I'm using right here. And you can see external domain. So to add a domain, you would click on this yellow button here. It's going to take just a moment. And you have two choices. Register a new domain, and that would be through ClickFunnels. It includes your SSL certificate, which is a certificate that is required now by Google to protect people when using your website. So the information that might come through from a credit card or when they're submitting a form or something like that, that certificate is going to encrypt that information and send it over the web so hackers can't grab that information and steal it. You can get that too, like from a hosting company. So I choose to use my own domains because I can register domains, and that's something that I choose. But if you're, somebody who's a novice, it's understandable that you're not going to know some of this stuff. So you might want to go through ClickFunnels and click choose a domain. And then let's just type in this here. It's available, of course, because I wanted to choose something that somebody probably didn't use, but you would be surprised, like when looking for a domain name, which one's already taken. So you can see that it's got the $20 right there. I'm not going to click on it because I haven't registered. It's been a long time since I've gotten a domain through ClickFunnels. When I first started working there, I got a domain that I don't use anymore. But that would take you through where you would make a payment, and then ClickFunnels would charge you $20 and then renew your domain every year at that $20 price. So it's a little bit more than what you would pay if you were to go to GoDaddy or one of the other ones there like Namecheap, but they're doing all of this for you. So let me back out of this here. So once that's set up, and there are instructions through ClickFunnels Help if you want to set up your own domain through one of those other places. there's documentation under help.clickfunnels.com, and then you can just put in, how do I add like a domain, and then it would give you like choices on where to click to get more information from that. Or you can search on YouTube or something like that too, or reach out to me. I would be happy to help you with that, walk you through it too. So you can see here, this has got the green here, so that means that it's secured. There's my domain name there. Here's some dots here where you can edit that, or you can visit the domain. So if you have to remove it, you would edit, and then you would go through and delete the domain from your list here. So this one, that's the one that I bought. I can't like do anything with it. I can't delete it. It's just there. But some of these other ones here, I'm not really using anymore. So I could technically go in and delete. So once you have that done, you can go into your funnel and you can click on your funnel name right here. And I've already set this up with mine, but you go into settings right here. And then your domains will be here. And you can see that I've chosen Funnel Template Marketplace right there. And I also have something here called a favicon URL. You can do the same there too. So on mine, instead of it showing the ClickFunnels logo in the browser tab at the top, that's a favicon right there. It's like a small icon for the web browser. You can put in whatever you want and have it display, you know, like in this one here. It's kind of hard to see because they're so small, but it's displaying something other than the ClickFunnels logo. So now that this domain name is there, you can see here, instead of like the subdomain clickfunnels.com, now this is www.funneltemplatemarketplace.com/FBS registration. So that's Funnel Builder Secret, thank you page right there. And then the funnel itself has a separate name of funneltemplatemarketplace.com/free web class, which you can probably see maybe there in the lower left corner of my browser when I hover over the top of that. And that is done here in the settings for the funnel. So I typed in the name free web class, but then I eliminated that space right here when I typed in the path name, because if you don't, then it's going to put a dash, and I wanted it to be just free web class. So then that way I can tell somebody go to funneltemplatemarketplace.com/free web class. So that is how you would connect your domain to your ClickFunnels account and to your funnel and use that instead. So I would highly recommend that that's something that you do before you launch your webinar, because you're going to need that when you do advertising on Facebook. And it's just going to look, even if you're just sharing it on Facebook, it's going to look much better. The other thing that I wanted to show you real quick here, I wanted to go to the main page here, the main dashboard page. This is something when I work for ClickFunnels customer service that I would always recommend customers like take a look at there. Now, depending on if you have a platinum plan, which is a plan that I have, that's a $297 plan, you're going to have more access to this FunnelFlix training that I'm going to show you. If you have the basic plan, you're still going to have access to training, but not a lot of it. So the ones here that I wanted to show you, well, first of all, the One Funnel Away Challenge, which I highly recommend that everybody take if you're not familiar with ClickFunnels. A lot of great information. I've taken it several times, once before. Actually, that's how I got my job at ClickFunnels, is that I took the One Funnel Away Challenge, and then I applied for the customer service position when it was available a few years ago. This is the one that I wanted to show you here, this affiliate bootcamp. You can click on that, and I'm hoping that this is going to show on the recording. We don't want to hear Russell, but this affiliate bootcamp has like all of these interviews from some of the top affiliates on ClickFunnels, like Spencer Mecham, Josh Rose, J.R. Rivera's, Ping Jun is one. And then this PDF that you can download. So there's a lot of great information that you can take from these individuals and use this to your advantage as an affiliate to be successful at this stuff. Now, I've done affiliate marketing with Udemy, where I teach courses online, and I was successful with that. And I've been kind of like my journey, like since I left ClickFunnels, just kind of trying to find, do I want to do freelancing or do I want to do affiliate marketing? I think affiliate marketing is the best bet because you heard like Pedro talking about, like with what he does, he has to be the CEO and he has to do the HR stuff and all of that. Well, with affiliate marketing, you just promote somebody's product and the money comes in and you don't have to worry about a lot of that back end stuff. So yeah, definitely take a look at the affiliate bootcamp and then some of these other FunnelFlix courses here. This is Funnel Hacking Secrets here. This is something different than the webinar that we're promoting, but that's something that you can take a look at. The blue right here, there's a 5-day lead challenge. So if you want to learn how to get more leads so that you can start marketing to these people, there's the 5-day lead challenge. There's list building secrets, which is 21 days. Now that's gray, where this one is blue. So if it's blue, the $97 plan, it's going to be available to you. But if you're on a 14-day trial, you can upgrade to the $297 plan and watch these other FunnelFlix trainings. And then before that 14 days expires, downgrade. So you only get billed the $97. So take a look at this and you can use this to your advantage while you're doing affiliate marketing and your webinars. So that's what I wanted to cover with you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And good luck, everybody. I'm looking forward to the next few days. Traffic is the main thing that I need to push myself on. And I've got Russell's book, Traffic Secrets, but I need to read it more. It's the key to driving people to your webinars and to what Pedro's going to talk about, these challenges, which I've gone through challenges. I've seen what they do at ClickFunnels, so I'm excited to hear what he has to say. All right, thanks. Take care.